Good evening, this is Tina. This video we're gonna talk about watching for file changes. Actually, we already used that nodemon. The issue is when this is my Express application, which is server side, right? And now if I run using node app.js, our server is running. Okay, I go here and I go to /admin/add-product. You can see my server is running. Now the thing is I make some change here. Suppose here I add a middleware. Okay, I add a middleware. Okay, I add a middleware like this one. This is always run, always execute, always there, middleware. Okay, and add the middleware. Then if I refresh the browser, we won't see this thing being printed in our terminal, right? The thing is, after we make a change, we have to stop the server, then restart. We have to do stop the server, then we have to do again. Okay, now if I go here, you will see this is always there, middleware. Okay, and after I make a change, when I refresh the browser, then it works. You have to stop the server and then rerun. Okay, and it's not convenient when we develop and we are kind of like wasting our time. Okay, when we develop, because every time you make a change, you have to stop, restart, stop, restart. This is wasting our time, and there are a lot of other third-party modules there which can watch your files changes, which means you make a file change and it will automatically detect, oh, your file is changed. Then it will restart the server for you automatically, so you don't need to manually stop the server and restart. Okay, so here are all the options here, like Forever, Node Dev, nodemon, Supervisor app. I'm using nodemon a lot, okay, and the others should be the same, okay? Just choose the one you like. So I will show you to using nodemon. To using nodemon, first thing is you install nodemon. And nodemon is we were using for every application, right? So we're gonna install globally. Okay, we install globally. I already installed it. I already installed. So it's gonna just do an update in this case. Okay. Okay, it's gonna do an update. See here. And after we do, we can using nodemon, then run this app.js file. Okay, now it's run and it's also watch. Okay, it's also watch extension, all of them. Okay, watch directory and watch extension. Okay, and now currently if I make a call, you will see it's gonna be like this, right? So now I will remove middleware. Okay, this is always being executed. Okay, I make a change. Did you see here? Restart due to changes, restart due to starting node. It will automatically watch the file changes and after you save and restart a server. So we don't need to do manually. We just go here and make another request. So this is being changed. Okay, so that's very convenient and it's highly recommended for the developer environment. Okay, to use it to save your time. I think that's it for this video. Hope you like the feature about nodemon and you can try using other third-party modules. They should be the same. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.